What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. It's an Android based tablet that has a 10.5 inch AMOLED display. And let's take a look at the price. The box price of the product is 62,700 and that is for the 4GB 64GB variant. An LTE version, that means you can add SIM card also on the device. But the tablet is available at 57,900 on Amazon. Let's take a look at the major specs that are mentioned at the back. The tablet has a 10.5 inch WQXGA, that is 2560 to 600 pixel display. That is a Super AMOLED panel. Samsung supplies a different accessory that comes with a keyboard that you can dock the tablet on. The tablet also comes with an S Pen, has quad speakers that are tuned by AKG and support Dolby Atmos sound effect. There's an octa-core processor on board with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And the battery on the tablet is 7300 mAh. There's also iris scanner on the device to unlock. So let's quickly take it out of the box. With the Galaxy Tab S4, Samsung is looking to compete with Apple. The Apple iPad sells in various sizes. There is a 9.7 inch display size and then there is a 12 inch iPad as well. The Tab S4 lies between the two. So here is the Galaxy Tab S4 guys. It has a glass back and a metal frame, but overall I feel the weight of the tablet is not that high given the display size on the device is 10.5 inches. You get a Type-C USB cable inside. There's a fast charger. Let's take a look at the rating. So it has a 9 volt 1.67 ampere of output, which is close to 15 watts. And with that big a battery you would need fast charging and a fast charger supplied with the box. Then there is a quick start guide that tells you how to set up the phone. It's both in English and Hindi. And then there is a warranty card. At last you get the S Pen, and as you would notice it is kept separately with the tablet. It does not go inside the tablet like the S Pen would on the Note phones. It's quite a big one and more like a usual pen to give you that comfortable and ergonomic hold. You also get some extra pen tips along with a tool to replace the pen tip. So the Tab 4 is more like an enlarged Galaxy smartphone. You get a camera at the top with a lot of sensors like the ambient light and proximity, and there's also an iris scanner built onto the top bezel. On the right side you'll see there is the volume rocker and the lock button, and below that is the SIM tray. Now let's quickly take a look at the Tab S4, which is more like an enlarged Samsung Galaxy device. I mean, at the back you get glass. There's a single camera with single LED flash, Samsung written at the back with the AKG logo as well given at the bottom side. At the front there are a lot of bezels. At the bottom you get a Type-C USB port and a headphone jack, and there are speaker grills on the either side. But there are 4 speakers on the Tab S4, so the other 2 are placed at the top alongside the secondary microphone. The primary one is placed at the top here. Imagine the tablet in the landscape mode docked on the deck station. You'll see the tablet would more or less act like a computer. Anyways, at the right side you'll see there is the lock button, the volume rocker, and at the bottom of the right side you also get a SIM tray that allows you to add a micro SD card, but it's only a single hybrid slot, so you can either expand the storage or add a SIM card. Anyways, at the bottom you'll see there are contact points that allow the tablet to be attached to a dock, and there are hinges as well. Let's quickly power up the Tab S4 and take a look at the interface you get on the device. So I've set up the Galaxy Tab S4 and you'll see there are a lot of bezels. If you compare it to a smartphone of course, but then again it's a tablet. The interface is very similar to what you get on Samsung devices. It's Experience UI running the Android Oreo underneath. Let's check the actual version of the software that the phone is running. So it's running the Android 8.1 with Samsung Experience UI 9.5. Next, I've also set up the intelligent scan feature. So let's take a look at how fast it is. So it is asking me to hold the tab closer. I'll bring my face closer, and this is how fast the unlock is. Now the overall size of the Galaxy Tab S4 is pretty huge. It's a 10.5-inch display, but then again that is the major plus point of the device. It is an AMOLED panel that gives you good brightness levels and gives you big screen area if you want to watch movies, surf the internet, or watch YouTube, or scribble with the S Pen on the device. The Galaxy Tab S4 is a great option. The S Pen feature on the Tab S4 works the same way as it does on the Note phones. A cursor appears on the screen as soon as you hover the pen on the display. All note-taking apps are present on the tablet that allow you to save handwritten notes or create live messages that animate with predefined animations. On this big a screen, the S Pen is quite a delight to use, even directly from the lock screen. It works very smoothly when you're writing, and it replicates the experience of writing on a notebook with a regular pen. Quite wonderful. At about 58,000 rupees, the Galaxy Tab S4 is a pretty expensive tablet, but it comes with a big and vibrant display, amazing quad speaker setup, and expandable storage, if you don't want to use a SIM card, that is. Let us know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.